In this video, I will show you my exact email marketing campaign that I'm using to promote the affiliate program, and I will also show you the exact framework that you also need to follow to create your email marketing campaign. And you can see here, this is some of my payment proof that I earned by doing the same thing that I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. So first of all, I will talk about the importance of email marketing. So why email marketing is important? So your email list is the most important asset of your affiliate marketing business because you own your list. That means if you create a content in any of the social media networks, but what if they will ban your account, then you will lose everything. But if you have your email list, then no one will take the email list from you. So that's why your email is the most important asset of your online business. And email list is like printing money. So money is in the list. And if you have a more emails of people is equals to you can earn more income. And the most important reason to build an email list is to build a strong relationship with your audience. So you need to build a know, like and trust factor with your email subscribers. Because if your email list will not trust you, then they will never purchase anything that you are recommending to them. So the most important thing, you need to build a strong relationship with your audience. And on average, one email subscriber is equals to at least $1 to $3 every single month. So if you have 1,000 people inside your email list, then you can earn at least $1,000 per month. If you have 10,000 people inside your email list, then you can earn at least $10,000 per month. So this is the power of email marketing. And the main purpose of your email automation campaign is to solve people objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So if you are an affiliate marketer and if you are promoting any product to your email list, but your email list have a confusion that the product will actually help me to solve my problem or not, and the product is legit or not. So your email subscribers have a lots of confusion. So as an affiliate marketer, your job is to remove all of their objection. And once you remove all of their objection, then they will definitely purchase the product that you are recommending to them. So now I will show you my actual email automation campaign so you can easily understand. But before I will show you the product that I'm promoting. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. And if you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, then Legendary Marketer teaches people online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. And I choose to promote Legendary Marketer because of the two reasons. First is Legendary Marketer gives people a great online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. And the second thing is Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. Because Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And if someone decides to purchase, then you will get $1,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So this is the two reason. That's why I started promoting Legendary Marketer. And right now if you are promoting a different product, then no worries because the method which I'm going to show you in this video will work on any product. So now I will show you my bridge page funnel that I'm using to build my email list. So right now I'm creating a content on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. And I'm using a hook story and offer formula to create all of my Reels. And at the end of all of my Reels, I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. Because as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer and Legendary Marketer teaches people affiliate marketing. So I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing. So that's why I give people my free affiliate marketing case study to build my email list. So at end of my reel, I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. And if someone click the link in my bio, then they will come to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And here I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping. So if someone wants to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then they click here and they give me their name and email address. And once they click here in this button, then they directly go to the other page, which is also called the bridge page. And here I have a short video that show people that how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I talk about the product that I'm promoting, Legendary Marketer. I told my audience that how Legendary Marketer can help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer. So if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, then click here in this button. And if someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And here we have a free presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shap. And once my audience wants this free presentation, and if they want to start the 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer, then they click here and they go to the checkout page. And once they purchase, then I will get a commission. But at the beginning, the conversion rate is very low. So suppose if I drive 100 targeted people inside this page, then only 2 to 3% of people will purchase a product at the first time and 97% of people will not purchase. But no worries, because I already captured their name and email address inside this page. So I will send them email automation sequence and promote Legendary Marketer over and over again. So eventually in future, they will purchase and I will get a commission. So right now I will show you my actual email automation sequence that I'm using to promote Legendary Marketer. So you can see here, this is the software that I'm using to create my funnel as well as my email automation sequence. And this software is 100% free until you have 2000 people inside your email list. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software, because in a free plan, you will get access of all the tools that is required. So if you want to get instant access of this free software, then check the link in the description below and create your free account today. So now I will show you my email automation sequence. So once I go to emails and click on campaign, then you can see here I have a pre-written emails. So this is my landing page, and here I ask people name and email address to get my free affiliate marketing case study. So once someone enters their name and email address and click here, then they will get a 23 pre-written emails each email per day. And as I told you before, right now I am promoting Legendary Marketer, and the main purpose of my email automation sequence is to remove people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So right now I am promoting Legendary Marketer, but my audience have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is legit or not, and Legendary Marketer will actually help me to make money as an affiliate marketer or not. So my email list have a lots of objections. So as an affiliate marketer, my job is to remove all of the objection of my audience, and then they will definitely purchase Legendary Marketer and I will get a commission. So now I will show you my entire email automation sequence. So here you can see in my first email, I write get access of our affiliate marketing case study. Open this email. So if someone open this email, then inside my email, I write click here to get access of the case study. And if someone click here, then they directly come to this page. So here they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So I have a 40-minute long case study, and inside this case study, I show my audience everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So if you want to get instant access, then check the link in the description below. So in my first email, I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study. Then in my second email, I write, let us introduce ourselves, pics inside. So if someone open this email, then inside this email, I told my story to my audience. I told my audience that how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and right now we are earning very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So in this email, I told my story to my audience, because I know that if my audience know my story, then they can easily trust me. And once they trust me, then they will purchase the product that I'm recommending to them. And here you can see at the end of the email, I say sign up with Legendary Marketer. So once someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And here we have a short video from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah. And if my audience watch this free presentation, then they will know everything that they will get inside the 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. And if they decide to purchase, then I will get a commission. So you can see I have lots of emails. So here you can see inside this email I write proof is Legendary Marketer legit. So if someone open this email, then inside this email I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah. I told my audience that the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah, he featured in Entrepreneur and a Forbes magazine, and these two magazines are a very popular magazine in this world. So if Dev Shah got a chance to feature inside this magazine, then definitely Legendary Marketer is a legit product. So by using this email, I remove my audience objection that the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah, he featured in this magazine. So definitely Legendary Marketer is a legit product. And then at the end of my email, I told people that now if you want to start with Legendary Marketer, then click here. And once they click here, then again they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So I'm recommending this challenge to my audience because this is the same challenge that I started with. When I was a beginner affiliate marketer, then someone recommended me this challenge. Then I started this challenge, and then I learn everything that they teaches me inside the challenge. Then I implement everything that they teach me. And right now I'm making a very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this challenge. If you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. So as you can see, I have a lots of pre-written emails. So here inside this email I write proof affiliate marketing works. So if someone open this email, inside the email I talk about the best strategy for beginners. And if someone click here in this button, then they come to this page. So inside this page I have a lots of reviews of people about Legendary Marketer, and I took this screenshot from the Facebook group of Legendary Marketer. So you can see here, this guy says, I made my first ever commission. So I told my audience that the people who are a beginner like you, they took the training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are earning their very first commission. You can see here, this lady says, the only direction is up. Celebrating my first commission with LM means Legendary Marketer. So the beginners are making their first commission by taking the training from Legendary Marketer. And you can see here, this guy earned $1,050 in just one day. So as I told you before, Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So if you start with Legendary Marketer, and then if you want to promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate, then it will be a great opportunity for you. So you can see people are earning their first commission by taking the training from Legendary Marketer. And then I told my audience that if you are ready to learn high ticket affiliate marketing, then click here. And once they click here, then again they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, and I will get a commission. So by using this email, I told people that the beginners who are just like you, if they started earning their first commission by taking the training from Legendary Marketer, then why you are not? So I'm removing people's objection that Legendary Marketer is the best training for affiliate marketers. So you can see I have a lots of pre-written emails, and the main purpose of my email automation is to remove all of the objection of my audience. So now I will show you one more email. So you can see here inside this email I write interview, how Harshil got success with affiliate marketing. So if someone open this email, then inside the email I write click here to watch Harshil's amazing interview with Dev Sharp. So if someone click here, then in this page, I have an interview with the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. So as I told you before, I started with Legendary Marketer, then I learn everything that they teach me inside the 15-day business builder challenge. Then I implement everything that they teach me inside my business. And right now I'm making a very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp, took my interview. And in this interview, I told about my story, that how I came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and how I took a training from Legendary Marketer, and right now I'm making a very good money by doing affiliate marketing. And then I told my audience that if you also want to do the same, then click here in this button. And once they click here, they again go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So by using this email, I told my audience that I personally took the training from Legendary Marketer, and they provide a great training for affiliate marketers. So if you also want to make money with affiliate marketing, then start with Legendary Marketer. So I think you already got my point. The main reason to build an email automation sequence is to remove people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So you can use this framework to promote any product in any niche. Suppose if you are in a health niche, and right now you are promoting a product that can help your audience to lose their weight. So don't just only promote a product inside your email automation sequence. You need to remove the people's objection about the product that you are promoting. And once you remove all of their objection, then they will definitely purchase a product that you are recommending to them, and you will earn a commission. This is the exact framework that I'm using right now to build my email automation sequence, and you can do the same. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And inside this case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And now, if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.